welcome. What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be checking it out, the decal remover wheel. And I have a truck. This is a truck that I purchased, and it has some decals on the side, and we're going to test it out, this wheel. Here it is, decal remover wheel. There it is. You just put on the drill. Comes with your adapter there. So you put it right here. Also it comes with a little knife. I think I pay like 16, 17 bucks. The link will be in the description if you guys want to get one of these. I was looking at it online and seen a lot of good things about it. So let's see, grab this. This little adapter. Like that. Very simple. Right there. There's a decal right there. Let's see what we got. Look at that. No damage to the paint, yo. Check this out. Oh, yes. Dude, that's awesome. Yes. That. No problem with the paint. Ready? YouTube sound. Another dot. Ready? On the track. Small dot. 1, 2, 3. Gone, very. This is good, man. Now in Portuguese. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I'm impressed. This little wheel. Very impressed. I am amazingly impressed. Maravilhoso. I don't know how to say in Italiano. Parla! I love this. Get this wheel. Description. Yeah, in the description down below. Man, I'm all confused today. Kind of hot over here. But it works good, doesn't it? Don't lie. Don't lie. Works very well. Subscribe to the channel before you go anywhere, so you can get more good videos like this. Not a whole lot of videos like this on YouTube, right? So thank you very much for you guys to hang out, learn some Spanish, some French, and thank you. See you guys next time. Grab one of these wheels, huh? Grab one. You want to see it again? Oh, that's amazing. See you later, guys. Bye.